Hey everyone, so today I'm back digging the ditch here. If you followed the channel a little bit, you know that about a month ago we tried doing a ditch cleanup job, and the ground was too frozen yet. There's still ice and stuff in the ditch, and we weren't doing a good job, so we packed up the excavator and left. And this morning we brought it back here. Dad helped me move here, and just been clipping away here. So the whole reason why we wanted to clean this ditch in the first place is we're gonna tile a field, and there was no good outlets. There was nowhere to dump the tile where the tile can run into. This ditch was plugged right full of cattails and brush and some small trees. So I'm just kind of clean it out quick and dig it down a little bit. And then that way, when we come back to tile, there'll be a good outlet for the drain tile. Starting to get a little bit harder here. This guy's got a garden right next to me, and the ditch is right here. That, and I got a bunch of little dead trees and stuff, so I'm trying to clean out the trees and brush and then keep the ditch dirt behind me. So it's putting the trees in front of me, and I'm gonna try to pile them up as I go along and push them all the way to the other end of the garden here. And then keep throwing the ditch dirt behind me. So, slow moving, but we're getting it done. Got most of the brush cleaned up to the end of the garden there. So I'm gonna get back to digging the ditch out. But first I'm gonna attend to some more important matters.
Welcome to Burger King, how can I help you?
Well, now that we got that problem out of the way, I get back to digging here. So I made it to the other end and got it all cleaned out. The water's running. I did check it with the grate rod a second ago, and I got about 5 to 6 inches of fall from one end to the other. So I know Dad said he wanted it dug pretty flat. I'll give him a call and see if he wants it dug out a little bit more, but I think it'll be all right. And yeah, I'm gonna track up front here by the pickup, clean my tracks out, and head home. Well, got the tracks all cleaned up, headed home. Hopefully here shortly in the next couple of weeks I'll be able to get some farming videos out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It's a little update for you. If you followed the channel, watched one of my last recent videos. We were out here Thailand a couple weeks ago when the ground was a little bit frozen. It's currently April 18th, Monday, day after Easter. We're back out here putting pipe in the ground, and it's snowing. And that's pretty rare to see. I'm located in the lower peninsula of Michigan, and it's getting pretty late for snow like this in Michigan. So it's kind of odd. Nothing surprises me here though. Definitely a lot different than last year. Say last year we were working ground and putting seed in the ground, planting corn and beans by like April 27th, April 25th, around there. So a week from now, last year. Definitely different this year. It's definitely a late spring. You know, we're supposed to get 2 to 5 inches is what they're calling for tonight. We'll see what it does. But yeah, just a little update for you if you're following the channel. I'm not going to really make a whole video out of this. There's not a whole lot's going on different than the last other video I posted about tiling. Other than the fact that it's snowing in April, in the middle of April. It's not too uncommon to see snow maybe in the beginning of April, but it should start warming up by now, and it's still pretty cold out and chilly here. So it's definitely different. The snow's already piling up, and it's only been snowing for about 35-40 minutes now. It's been snowing for just a little over an hour now. It's already piling on pretty good. This is just crazy for the middle of April here where I'm located in Michigan. If I lived in the upper peninsula, maybe not so much, but right now it's pretty rare to see snow like this in April.